is going on, guys? We are in Charlotte, North Carolina. Well, I guess technically we're right outside of Charlotte, North Carolina, but we are at Carowinds. This is a theme park on the state line between North Carolina and South Carolina, but basically, if you say Charlotte, that's where you're at. And we are staying at the SpringHill Suites right here, literally in Carowinds parking lot. That is a coaster right there. I got this one with me this time. Usually Jareth makes the trips with me, but this time she got to come. There is a media event going on tomorrow, but I wanted to film this tonight and show you guys around the hotel that is literally here in the parking lot at Carowinds. So it's SpringHill Suites at Carowinds. Let's go take a look. So we're gonna walk in the front door here. This is SpringHill Suites by Marriott. As you come in, there's some luggage racks right to your left. The check-in area is right here on the left. And then there's also a little snack area here to the left as well. There's some drinks and some frozen dinners, chips, candies, some Excedrin, Pepto, things like that as well. And right here at the front check-in desk, they have the Carowinds 2026 events. Spring Break, Viva La Fiesta, Star Spangled Nights, Splash Water Parade, Carowinds, Trick or Treats, Oktoberfest, Winterfest, and New Year's Eve at Winterfest. You can upgrade your tickets, and they are cashless. Now, directly across from the check-in desk is a bar. It's a nice little area there to hang out. There is some loungers over here, and there's an actual bar right here. They do have a complimentary breakfast from 6:30 to 9:30 Monday through Friday, and 7 to 10 on Saturday and Sunday, and it is served right here. They do have a small business center if you need to do some business. They have a computer, which most people probably got the computer with them, but they also have a printer. There is a meeting room, a small but nice meeting room, right here on the left-hand side, just going down the hallway. Now we are staying on the first floor, and we will show you our room here in just a little bit. But as you come on down this way, you've got the elevators here that take you up. There is a fitness center as well, and an outdoor pool. We'll go show you the outdoor pool. So this is the pool deck area. There's this section here. There's also another smaller section right over there that is covered, and then there's also a small pool out here. I don't want to get too close because there's people in the pool, but there is a nice little small pool out here. The gym has some treadmills in there. There's some free weights, different things like that. There's also some restrooms right inside here as well, just right outside the doors of the fitness center. There's also ice machines on the second and fourth floor. There's none on our floor. Now I'm going to take you and show you the room here at Carowinds. This is our room here at the SpringHill Suites at Carowinds. There is a coffee pot, single shot coffee pot with your ice cups, coffee cups, lid, sugar, all the things that you need. There's Jessa. You got the nice little couch here, ignore all of our junk. And then there's a desk. There's a TV here, about a 40-inch TV or so. Here is a toilet and sink, and then down here is a shower and sink. So it's two half baths. Of course, you got your full-length mirror, air conditioner, 2 queen-size beds. It's actually a really nice room. You think so, Jessa?
Yeah, it's really big though.
Yeah, it is a spacious room, is the words that she used. Now, obviously, we have not, we just walked in, so that's why everything is still made up. Don't know if the beds are comfortable or not, but we'll find out here in a little bit. But yeah, this is, it's a nice room, and it's literally across the street from Carowinds. Actually, it's like, saying across the street's not even really fair. It's basically in the parking lot. Let's see. Yeah, you can kind of see. Let me see if I can get one of these up here. Here we go. Hang on. Hang on. So if you look right there, let's see if I can zoom it in. There is a roller coaster right there. So that's how close you are. Very, very close. Very close. And that's it. I know it's a short video. That's really all we needed, was to kind of show you around the hotel here. It's actually a really nice hotel. Again, these rooms are large rooms. They're comfortable rooms, really like them. So we're getting up in the morning, and we are headed over to Carowinds for a media event for their brand new attraction. But we'll show you breakfast in the morning here as well. Kind of let you know what they've got on their continental breakfast. I'll also let you know how the beds sleep. So, anywho, we'll do all that in the morning. And good morning. So we are downstairs in that bar area we were showing you last night. This is where breakfast is. They actually have a really nice breakfast set up here. They've got regular milk, chocolate milk. They've got yogurt. They've got eggs and bacon. They've got English muffins with cheese and egg on them. They've got plain English muffins. They've got cereal. They've got oatmeal. They have a lot of different options, and it all is pretty fresh and looks good. So I was really surprised at the selection that they had. Most places, you know, they give you 2 or 3 options, and that's about it. Jess is having an English muffin. You like your English muffin? She says yes. I'm eating some yogurt and a banana for breakfast. And then we're going to take off and head over to Carowinds for the media event. But yeah, this has been a really nice hotel. We've enjoyed it. The bed was super comfortable. Once we got settled in last night, we were good. It's very, very comfortable beds, and the room is plenty spacious enough. Shower had super hot water this morning, which was nice. And again, if you're coming to the Carowinds area, coming to stay for a couple days, check this place out. Definitely worth trying. So anyway, I guess that's about it for down here. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching the video as always. Again, check out our Carowinds video on the brand new attraction that's coming up. And remember, life is hard enough. Keep it amusing, and we will see you next time. Bye.